Okay, hey, can you tell me about Plex and Muna? Remember you were telling me yesterday when Plex was sad?
Yeah.
Can you tell me about it?
Beds.
Huh?
Beds.
Why was Plex sad? No, sit down. Why was Plex sad? Because why?
Poop on Mom.
No, not because you pooped on him on the show. Not your Plex underwear. Remember when Plex was sad? What did Muno do? Sit down. Sit down. Why was Plex sad? Because why? Shh. Because why? Sit back. Why was Plex sad? What did Muno do to Plex? No, I don't want you to tell me. I want Emma to tell me.
Muno threw a snowball at Plex.
Muno threw a snowball at Plex. Emma, can you tell me about it?
Muno, go. No more pets.
Oh, and what was Plex? How did Plex feel?
Sad. Sad.
He was sad.
Yeah.
Can you tell me something else about Yo Gabba Gabba?
Go Gabba Gabba. And Trudy was throwing a snowball.
Hey, shh. I'm talking to Emma right now. You'll have your turn, okay? Tell me something else. You don't know. Can you sing a song? No. Shh. Yes. Sing.
Go Gabba Gabba.
Can you sing the Dora song?
Dora.
Say Dora.
Dora.
Can you sing the ABC song?
A B C D Q me.
Good job. Can you sing Jesus Loves Me?
Yes,
Good job. Can you do your name? Ready? E M M No, 2 M's. M A. Emma.
Can I do it? Can I do my name?
You can wait your turn.
My turn.
Tell me something else. What's our dog's name? You know our dog's name. What's our dog's name?
Mine. You. His.
His. What's his name?
Chesty. Dirty.
Would you shush? Seriously, I'm going to send you to your room if you don't quit. I'm talking to Emma.
She just said Chesty.
Because you did. Sit down.
Dirty.
Sit down. It's Chesty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who do you love?
Dirty. Me love Dirty.
You love Chesty?
Yeah.
Who else do you love?
Papa.
Sit back.
Papa?
Sit back.
I said Dirty love Papa.
Hey, who else do you love?
Papa.
Papa, who else?
Love Gigi. Papa, Daddy, Papa, Radio.
You love Gigi and Papa and Chesty and Grandpa Russell?
Yeah.
Who else? You don't know? You don't love it?
Love Zeke.
You love Zeke? You don't need to sit.
Mom.
And you love Mom.
Yeah.
Who else?
Dad.
You love Dad. Who else?
Tyner.
And Tyner. And who else?
Yeah.
Sierra. Do you love anybody else?
Yeah.
Who else? Oh no. Okay. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say I love you.
Hello.
Can you show him I love you?
Hello.
I can't see. Show me I love you.
Hello.
I love you.
Hello.
Say I miss you.
Miss you.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Okay.